This is spectacular. Ooh! Zero white cast. These two are starting to look very similar. This is the darkest one, so I will just use my... This is why I was saying some stuff is missing. Oh, there it is. Like pink. Oh. Yeah, you need to be careful with this. Okay, let's put this away. Meanwhile, though, skinning. I'm going to get the Laura Mercier powder. Very, very nicely pat it down. A little bit of blurring. I do like a dewy finish, but not in winter. You know what I mean?